got my BMC air filters here that I will be reinstalling. I cleaned and re-oiled them this week. Gotta attach my battery cable for my charger, or my trickle charger, and RSNB wing risers there. So, go ahead and get started. I'll begin with the battery here. Okay. So, this was from the 981. So I've got the negative end cut already. It's pretty dusty in here. I need to clean this. Okay. That was way too dirty to work on. Too dusty. So let me grab okay. So we got the positive side over here. And this battery actually looks much smaller than what was in my 981. I think the 981 took up the whole battery tray. The battery tray goes all the way to here. Positive. And the negative, this does not come all the way off. So you kind of just have to clamp it in there. And that's why you cut the end here. Cut that. Put that right in there. That's on. I don't do this fancy. I don't. Oh, that was loud. I don't get any extra length for the whip to come out the hole here. Although maybe it would work right now. Let's try it. No. So all I do is put it right over the top right there. If you want it to look nicer, of course you can, but I don't mind. Nobody really sees this, and it makes it easy to get to. That is the finished product, and I just run the cable up here, and it goes down the side and plugged in here. I do have room for another one. This is a two port charger, but I need to get one longer cable to run it all the way over to the Targa, so I may actually move this box to the ceiling in the garage so that they drop down and we'll charge both cars together, but that might be a project for another day.